Hello everyone, this is the Smart Silicone Cable Organizer. You can find it on AliExpress. Very useful to keep your desk perfect and clean. You can find the version of 1 clip, 2 clip version, 3 clip, 4 clip version, 5 clip, and 7 clip version. Let's go to the unboxing. It feels soft but strong. It comes with an adhesive sticker so you can stick it anywhere. Here I'm placing it on my desk. It holds perfectly and stays in place. You can also stick it on the side of your desk or even underneath. Now I will show you some reviews from AliExpress. People use it for phone cable, chargers, and more. Here is the final result. Simple, clean, and effective. If you want to buy the product from AliExpress, I will put down the link in the description. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.